Pynyap ini khynnah khynnah po Nongrah.
Te halor kani kadin rupna hi ka special investigation team hi ubala clear do SP city hi kila yo kem yo budan kti ban kani kala khamjuat hi ka case ban nakadaw ba ngimlap hi ka motive kadin thumu ban Pynyap yo ni khna bamdan kanu kanu da passion ka bom ba dan kata sexual assault ne kan dan kata ransom but hakaju ko uni khna kun sweat hi ti kata ka motive ka kham long hi ban yo ke ka jing thu jung breu ban Pynyap uni khna hakaju por ni wat ni la bun ni na thai hi dan kituk atuk ni gnai ni la ong ba ki dan ki breu di ba ni suba rei ka jinge ka long ban yin dan ta evidence ban yin la ban poi shido shaki ne ban kem yaki ti hadin katu kan banai kunta na ru banai e ti ni la yo katu kan ni evidence jaga forensic e but ki evidence ru kun ki technical evidence ni la yo but hadin bengi la ka SIT kala beteng lang gini ki evidence but ni sa lab yo uni ubre ba Pynyap ke haka tugas ni hi uni khna uni bre bo Pynyap bo poteng u Kennedy concert like po arts nem ula Pynyap yo nakadaw tang ba uni khna u saila kwa ban wan yarap yo ban sai kata top te uni ubre udan hi kata ka history ka ba u khamlong violent ne u kham dan kham chitkhlieh te ula top ya ka shintur jung bat hani kata ra yu ha top thap yu ha top hadu bandayap nak tahu sei comment ta usabu shadin yang dia hadin bakila kalawan katumi bat u wahiyang ju paratmi ju kata kata skuti u thap no yu to khna ha ka borni bat upan to paratmi ju ya kata skuti bat lejbo stesha mopan ke kata ketika jinja kerja hakata kasih hak pratre ti hadin kata hi itu i mesan hi jong tu khna hi ila FIR ni la register mar hi la form ka SIT but manta kasih hi yo kem yo ni but lishai ni sa remand yo ni sa pan remand police remand yo khnang bangin yo ban tokit pania shushu ban yo tokit ki jan ki khagnur kom Pynyap but ni reconstruct ya ka sequence jong ka crime ti kang tai bishpun
da atamba uset tu dia uset itu khulung dei shuntur ti yang le kumno ne
Yam hayeng le yam
atop
long hadu dai
long ubriu ha ka jingdom hi u ra be tu khna u set bat khumut bat shintur ei thap yu ha top ken ti kata ka top kebadan shiteng ti thap yu ta mau u khna ha thai ula yap hi shwa ban thap yu ha top ba marsin thap yu ha top khum ki sho kamen to say no ka kamen nang ta but usabu shadish ka tomiya
This for sure looks like a very difficult device.
See, difficulty number I've already said the motive is the first thing. Secondly, you could suspect the family, you could suspect neighbors. You don't have reason for anybody, because he's an orphan. Why would you kill a child who's 7 years? You don't have, nobody has asked for ransom. There's no sexual assault on that child. And the child is living with somebody else. He's not living as domestic help also, where people will, let's say, they child labor, and he, because of the hardship, he must have died and all that. He didn't perform what they're doing. So, as he's not a domestic help also. So all these factors didn't actually sit in well where we could get the motive, so it became very difficult. Devansh, you would say anything?
So adding to what you've said, one of the things that was difficult, like sir said, was he did not have parents. We did not have that motive also. His parents had some rivalry or some enmity with someone else. So that angle was also ruled out. A child, he could not have harmed anybody. That angle was ruled out. So these, amongst the other reasons mentioned, was why this case took a little longer to solve. But eventually, we hopefully have reached the logical conclusion.
We had more than 10 to 12 suspects out here, and it took a long time to write off any of the suspects out here. That's why people would come, you've got anything. But it took a long time, because unless I have evidence, I really cannot pinpoint, I cannot zero down on that. It's easy to pinpoint, oh yes, this fellow might be, that fellow might be, he dresses like this, or he looks like that, or he behaves like that. But unless I have that evidence, policing now is based on scientific evidence. We will not just catch anybody like that. It has to be based on scientific evidence. And SIT has proven it today that as a team, they have worked in different areas and pieced all that evidence to zero down on this criminal.
So police have established that the motive is murder.
The offence is murder.
Sir, yung violence ba chitkhlieh ma kadang the case previously
ni ngelape dan hem ki case rei kiladan ki case baklam register hi laisuk hi paramaki kiladan hi ki case ki ba klawan jing ajing ujor and rei kiladan ka jing asuk paramaki hi
bukan idang data first degree murder.
Kani ka first case penong ban register ka case. Yes.
So kajing su ka mandai long kadi shi ne ka khalo ko
kadi ka jing sho hadom ki dan ki dan ka jing ka ja and rei but itai lok chung u bala yu ru kadan ka history ka ba shit sure.
So, Bhavik, my question is, Nagaland police has created its reputation of excellence, past so many cases planned. So, my question was, how difficult was to crack
To
this
solve
case?
this case.
The pressure on you and the team.
See, the pressure is number one is I had more pressure because we had solved Sonam case and it was a difficult one, and this being a local case and all that, why can't we solve? And most people thought that it's going to turn into a cold case, that we had forgotten this case and we are looking at only high profile cases, or we are looking at if somebody is from outside, then we would pay attention. But if a person from our own state, something happens to them, we will not even give much attention. That was the refrain all throughout. But we don't work like that. We are professionals. The team is very professional, and we once we have a case, it doesn't matter who what kind of background he comes from. A case is a case. This boy is an orphan. We never forgot this case from day one. We kept trying, and I me and my team, SPCT, myself, we knew in the hearts of hearts that yes, we keep trying, we will get something. So we are trying to uphold the level of professionalism and excellence in policing, and that's why class and caste does not matter, community does not matter.
Kapag ba can you accuse? Kapag ba interrogate? Kapag ba admit ba he confessed to the crime? Kadang na kali na yu ba udan jin condemn him and
klem dan hi jadi tu klem ulamut hi long hadian ba kilawan ki pudat hadian stio artio laitio si banai hadian kata long ulai kan ba umut ba udan bagi pulat kin tlan no kan abam lap hak tu ka klemat hi tu yom yo ye isu kan thì hadian si banai dum ja hadian arla dum ja tu la sung lai luôn
Vì cái này dùng sa chú
ni sa chú